my handprint.
It's not
I
there.
know there's one there.
What's your name? Charles? You want to see your hand on my ass?
Oh.
God, douchebag.
What are you, videotaping? Here's your happy getting him.
Look, I'm a bitch. I've been this tall. My name's Mary Cookies. I'm only this tall.
Man, you smell like a brewery. What is this, Milwaukee? What is this, Milwaukee?
You little BB-eyed son of a bitch! I'm gonna choke you.
You're choking me. You
are choking? Yes, I'm choking you. I got you in the goddamn hole.
Poke him in the eye! Poke him in the eye!
His eyes will swell up like a fucking...
Just grab his nose.
Look at his
Show
hand.
everybody your butt. I know there's a handprint.
Turn around, girl. Let me see.
There's another one.
Let me see.
Yeah.
Oh! Compliments of Lisa.
Everybody puts their hands on my cute little girl. He's scarred for life.
That she is.
Yes, I am.
Scarred for life.
You want to hang out with Danielle? You get what comes with. You know what?
Hey, shut up. Her dad's a cop.
I don't care if her dad's a cop in Elmira.
Oh, okay.
I don't care if her dad's a cop in the city of Southport.
Right. I really don't give a shit.
He's been begging to tell
I'm
him
just
about
gonna drop her name and we Gucci on. Oh, I know.
Rob, show your cheeks. Show your cheeks.
Leave me your beer, honey. I'm
Not
gonna
them
need it.
cheeks. The other cheeks.
Now, no
Want to see mine?
No!
I'll show you.
No, there's a little child here. You know.
I gave you the bush.
That got him so good it hurt my hand.
I gotta see it anyway.
There's a bush.
Yeah, I
George
ain't seen
Bush?
it. Well, oh, there you go. Can't do it.
Little Billy ruins it all.
Come on.
Mason!
DLB. Schwinger.
Look at his face.
Oh,